Fast Key Services was established more than 25 years ago to meet a growing demand for replacement office furniture and locker keys. The business has grown enormously since its humble origins in a garden shed to become the UK's leading supplier of office furniture and locker keys. This has been achieved by maintaining a high level of service and competitive prices. Even as the company has grown, we have not wavered from our commitment to same-day dispatch and good customer service. As well as keys, Fast Keys also supply an extensive range of office furniture locks, key cabinets, master-suited key systems, safes, key safes and accessories. Our client base ranges from private customers who just require spare keys for a home cabinet or safe, to facilities companies managing large corporate sites with complex security needs. We are also the supplier of choice for office furniture manufacturers and suppliers, financial institutions, schools and locksmiths. In conjunction with our thriving mail order business, customers are welcome to visit our trade counter, where our locksmiths can advise you about your hardware and security needs, as well as supplying replacement car keys and remotes. You do not have to suffer the cost and delay of ordering keys from main dealers. From our premises in Shopgate, Wickford, we can supply replacement vehicle keys, remotes and transponder keys from many different makes and models, including commercial vehicles. Our experienced locksmiths also provide a car key repair service, which enables us to replace the blade, remote casing, micro switches and rubber buttons. This is a much cheaper alternative than getting a brand new key cut and remote programmed, and ensures your keys are as good as new. Whether you need a padlock, keys for your front door, or just some helpful advice from our experienced locksmiths, Fast Keys can help. We hold a large stock of Euro cylinders, night latches, sash and deadlocks, security safes, padlocks, garage door locks, domestic hardware products and much more. With a wide variety of key blanks, we can cut keys for numerous applications such as office furniture keys, door keys, mortise keys, vehicle keys, window keys, utility keys, removal and master keys. So visit us online at fastkeys.co.uk.